again. No wahala, no wahala. Hey. Enjoy your life, no drama. Hey. Money go come, we go jolly.
Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Elise. Welcome back to our channel. I pray that you guys are all doing well. I'm back with a new video. So I have a new wig from ISEE, and y'all, they are available on Amazon Prime. If you guys are interested, I'll have all the details and links provided in the info section below, so be sure to go ahead and check that out. So the wig that I decided to pick up happens to be this gorgeous 20-inch body wave, a 9x6-inch glueless lace wig, and this is what it looks like. Y'all, look at this unit. It is pre-styled, it is pre-cut, pre-bleached, pre-plucked. No work at all needs to be done for this beauty right here. You guys have an ample amount of lace, 9x6 to be exact, so you can get a nice deep part. You can go ahead and style this unit in a curved part. You can even add braids if that's your thing. This unit also has removable combs as well as a removable elastic band, so you are able to customize this unit to work comfortably for you. Me, I prefer the combs, so I will be leaving those in, as well as the elastic strap. So as usual, I do like to put the unit on just to let you guys see what I'm working with. Now, I'm the type that can't really keep my fingers out of my hair, so I did manipulate it a little bit. So I will be going in and restyling up this unit, and I just decided that I also wanted to wash the wig as well. So I'm just going in using a little bit of my silicone mix conditioner, and I'm just going to co-wash this unit and get it ready for styling. So now that my unit is co-washed, I'm now going to define the part in the middle and just get everything brushed back. I do want some baby hairs, so I'm going to go ahead and do that while the unit is drying. Okay, so I just sat the wig outside so that it can dry, and the wig is completely dry. Literally just like an hour later, it's completely dry. So now I'm just going to style up this unit. I'm going in using a little bit of my silkening serum, and I'm going to apply that all over the hair. Then I'm going to apply a little bit of my wax stick and just kind of get everything nice and flat on top of the unit to where it looks very natural. Then I'm just going to go in using my curling iron, and we're just going to do some light curls. Nothing too special, just some super light curls just to kind of give this unit some personality. So now I'm just cutting some baby hairs into this unit. Y'all, I didn't even realize that I did it lopsided. But I went ahead and I cut myself some baby hairs, and I kind of wanted them to be dramatic. Don't look at them while they're wet. Once they dry, they're gonna look a lot better. Believe me. But I'm just gonna go ahead and get those laid, and this is what this unit is looking like. So now I'm just going to throw on a simple black stocking cap. Y'all know me. I love my little black stocking caps. Going to throw that on and we're going to go ahead and get this wig on and see what we're working with. Okay, so now that I have the wig on, you guys see how the baby hairs are looking. Now I did notice that the lace was a tad bit too light, so I'm just applying a little bit of powder. Gonna also apply a little bit of powder into the parting space just to kind of get that part to pop. And now I'm just using a paddle brush to kind of brush the curls out, and this is what we are working with, y'all. The hair is so incredibly soft. Like, I literally cannot stop touching it. You guys see that I'm brushing my fingers through it. The curls are staying intact. I love the luster, the movement, the body. This unit, y'all, is absolutely stunning. Do you guys peep the movement, like the body of this unit? Gorgeous. You guys have ample amount of parting space. Y'all look at that deep part. You can definitely get a super deep part with this unit on this 9x6" lace. If you want to do like a curved part, you can do that. You can even put little cornrows up there if you choose to. Now this unit is 100% glueless, so I didn't have to use any glues or any adhesives, anything like that. It pops right off at the end of the night when I'm ready to go to bed. Y'all definitely check out ISEE. I will have all the details and links provided in the info section below. Y'all let me know what you guys think, and I'll talk to you guys on the next video. Bye guys.